In this episode of Cozy Conversations presented by Foam Home, we have with us Anu and Prashant Chauhan, two exemplary individuals who came together to build their design firm Zero Nine. Their relationship is a contrast that merges into a beautiful bond.
Hello and welcome to Cozy Conversations. We are here at Foam Home, which is the coziest place in the country. And I would like to start with asking both of y'all, what does cozy mean to you?
You want to start? So cozy for me is my daybed with my son on my lap. And I think that's our cozy corner.
Lovely.
And I love my bedroom with my bed with lots of cushion and no one around me. I really don't want anybody around me.
Perfect definitions of cozy. Now, I would like you both right now also had a very diverse view on what cozy means to you. I always imagine how couples work together. So, what is the mantra? How do you guys actually work together and not fight or fight?
Okay, she wants us to get serious.
No. I don't think the answer can be serious.
Okay, work together. Prashant, you can start with that.
So we have, we don't really work together. What we do is in the beginning of the project, we come together. Then at a particular stage when we know ki this is where we've achieved 95% of what our design intent was.
Right.
That is where we split ways.
After that, you cannot tolerate
Then I'm out of the project. She's in the project. She kind of does all the daily, daily follow-ups and all of that because that is not my cup of tea at all.
Right.
And after she's done with all of that, and she's kind of literally tolerated all of this nonsense.
all the dirty work that is over, and finally now it is looking nice and the chaka-chak. That's where he comes again
That's
in
when
the
I
picture.
come again into the picture. That is when I need to get things right for the
Perfection
handover, and so
and
that is when we get into the graphics and we get into the little
More
nitty-gritties.
detail. Then it's the
stuff
next
like that.
stage of the project.
And
Roles divided.
Yeah.
yes.
But your studio is called Zero Nine. Now that's a very interesting name. To start something with a zero.
True.
So how did you guys come up with this name? And I want the whole story about it.
Oh my god, that's a big story.
So I'm going to record this and put it on my website as well because I've been asked this multiple times.
Because nobody starts with a zero, right?
Okay, so Zero, I think, is a fantastic contribution of India to the world.
Absolutely.
So that kind of really puts us in the position of pride that yes, we are Indians, and I think we really kind of associate a lot with Zero because we've started with Zero. So
What is there now? Now the zero should get added later on, not before.
I'm hoping that all the zeros are now added on your paycheck.
And 9 is another fantastic number where there's kind of a little mystery and numerology and all of that added to it, where it kind of adds in as a very unique multiplier. So there's some sort of a change in the number that you add to it. Like say for example, if you add 5 to a 0, you'll always get 5 as an end product.
Yeah.
And if you add 5 to a 9, you'll get 14. But 14 is again 1 plus 4. Yeah, so it's again 5. So it does not impact the starting point. And that was the kind
That's
of...
the thought. So
That's the thought, exactly.
Wow.
That's
Wow,
the
that's
concept
a
that
lot
you
of thought that went into
Yes, it does.
So that's why we have always believed in not drastically changing what the client has given to us and put your signature stamp and give it back to them packaged. It is very subtle changes and subtle things that we do.
Right.
And probably that's the reason that all our projects are quite distinctively different, because we prefer to have the client's identity or their signature into the project rather than our signature. And that's why we do not subscribe to
Any trend
trends
or
and
style.
this is happening, this is the vogue, and this is...
And all we tell them this is your lifestyle, now this is the house given or whatever,
Yeah.
now you live with it. That's not how it can
That's
work.
more of what an artist would do and not
yes.
a designer.
So we are not artists, exactly.
Okay.
We are more of architects and we are more of designers and we are more of facilitators, I would say, where we help you find you
Correct.
in your home,
And
in your space.
talking about facilitation, what facilitated your meeting and how did you guys meet? And think of marrying? Did marriage come before starting the studio, or was it the other way around?
No, marriage I think came very late. Very late, according to Prashant. I wouldn't have got married to anyone.
So she made me wait for 8 years, for starters.
Okay, so you guys met at a college.
At
Yeah,
college,
law.
yeah. And she made me wait for 8 years. I need to put it on record.
I'm going to marry somebody at 21 or 18. That is not going to happen.
I'm putting it on record. She made me wait for 8 years.
Right.
And then eventually, yes, we kind of were working together on projects. We were kind of freelancing, hustling, doing all the
So you
extra
build it together.
extra
Build it,
extra
yeah.
jugards apart from the work that we were doing already. We were working at bigger firms and still trying to gather that extra buck to kind of build
Yeah.
something of our own.
And enjoy it also.
Enjoy it, yeah.
It's very
enjoy
important
the
to enjoy
process.
it.
So as a couple, is it like very easy to deal with other couple clients, or they have their own issues? And do you have a better perspective? Can you handle couple clients better, or there are always these fights that happen over the colors and the bedroom and having a firm mattress and a soft mattress, and these are the things that that have come up in the previous talk. So how do you handle that?
I think more than architects, we are therapists.
I think
because
you're the second
we kind of are also mediators.
Right.
So we have to constantly keep balancing both the opinions, because no two people
are
or
same.
no two people are going to think the same.
Yeah,
So yes, every couple has their own internal challenges and internal fights, like we do.
But nowadays I've started telling them this is the point. You'll go back home and discuss internally. We will not discuss
Okay,
this
you know.
here now anymore. I think with years of
Yeah.
experience, I know this topic is going to get very sensitive now.
Right.
घर जाके बात कर लेना is will be the good answer.
आपस
that
में.
आपस में बात करके हमको बता देना, because we don't want to take one person's side and the other person is
Yeah,
looking at us like
insert
that.
them.
It gets difficult then.
Oh, amazing. And what about dealing with tough clients? Who does that part? Who does all the dirty work?
I don't think we would have continued with any difficult client. We would have both have said no.
Actually, we
We would
filter.
have stopped there.
We
there.
filter.
You've been
clients, so,
fortunate to
yeah.
have.
We are
non-demanding-
fortunate to say no to projects very easily, very easily.
I would not say fortunate. We are kind of shameless.
Shameless to do that, but that's not what we want to do. We just don't want to have a lot of projects and show that we did 20 projects. No,
Right.
that's not what we want to do.
So your theme is always about enjoying the work.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And what is that
It is.
one project that you guys have collaborated and you both love it?
Which one, Prashant?
I think everyone.
Your title is Celebrate Life.
Exactly.
So
He
you
is celebrating everything.
Exactly.
He's celebrating my shouting also. He's celebrating me
That's such a good thing.
And I'm looking at Prashant. Prashant, there is a situation here we need to talk. Prashant is celebrating, still celebrating. I'm looking at Prashant.
Oh my god.
See, I think project-wise, we
I think
love our
warm
all
white.
project.
Warm white.
I would go a little different on
I knew it.
Midas touch, He likes little things are very different for him. He likes warmth and
Yeah.
there has to be a little more warm. But I like flashy. I like things which are good looking. So I like it to be very, very chic, very chic. So
Okay.
only that point. But we love doing all kinds of projects. It doesn't matter.
That process, there must be like some brands that you really like to work with. So can you list down like 4 or 5 brands that you really love working with?
I think more than the brands, we love working with people. So,
Right.
so it's never auxiliary homes. It is more Chitwi. It is never the souvenirs. It is about Chetan Bhai. So it is
Right.
more about the people, I think, because frankly the brands keep changing or shuffling or whatever. But I think the more of people
it's also the
interaction and the human,
experience around.
yeah, exactly. That is more important.
Right. And what is that one activity that both of you all like doing together apart from work?
Traveling.
yes,
Yes, yes.
I love
It's so obvious that he doesn't like traveling.
I love cycling. I love traveling. I love
Photography. Anu, photography.
I love social media. I love photography.
Oh my god. So there's nothing that you like to do with each other apart from work.
No, I think if I were to gossip, Prashant is not the right person to talk.
I agree.
Forget everything. I might as well go to my sister and call her up and just discuss things or even activities with her, not with Prashant.
So Prashant, there is also this site to 09 which is about branding and social media. So how has social media helped, especially during the lockdown? A lot of activities were happening. So how have you used it to your benefit?
So during the lockdown, we utilized our reach to kind of help and kind of extend ourselves to a lot of the laborers that were kind of in a difficult situation.
Right.
So yes, we did that as well to kind of promote a lot of other brands, got them on board.
Yeah.
We did few live sessions, and of course with a
Correct.
little bit of funds that we had, which for us is little bit, but actually for these laborers it was like
It
a
was a
big
good-
relief, huge relief. And I think it kind of just helped settle them down.
And
Quite a
that's
few hands were extended and reached out, and I
Right.
think I'm really thankful to
A lot of other friends also asked for,
Vision.
so their people, their carpenter or
Yeah.
their painter or plumber, whatever help was needed was passed on to them also.
That's amazing. That's such a great initiative.
It was a really good thing that happened, I think, during lockdown.
and I
Yeah.
think it's not just the social media, it's all of us coming together.
Yeah,
For
I think
something
it's
which
the
we all believe in.
community.
Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely. And I would like to ask you one last question. I know he is obsessed with plants. How do you handle all this, plant care?
It started with me. It's
Okay,
not Prashant's
okay.
plants. They are all my 15-year-old plants, and some of them are before Darsh was born. Before my son was
Oh,
born.
oh my God.
And now because now they are so grown so tall now, so I've
Right.
shifted them down. So
Achha.
first Prashant used to put water, they would die or they would not grow only. I think not die, but they would just be sad. But now when we shifted recently,
Acid, as if I used to put acid into them.
but now I think with time I've lost patience. So I've given it to them. Now he's managing it.
Now he has the green thumb, like you passed it on to him.
No, I still have the green thumb. I keep a check what is happening. So I keep putting the seeds and just growing and then water. They water.
No, actually, I just click pictures.
He just takes pictures. That's the only thing he does.
That is what social media does, basically. Thank you so much, guys. It was anyway a fun segment chatting with you all.
इतनी जल्दी
in
खत्म हो
this casual, cozy conversation. But there is, jaldi nahi, there is one tiny game that we are going to play.
Okay.
And for that you need to wear some eye masks because you can't see what's happening. So, guys, you've been masked up, and this game I'll quickly explain the rules to you. This is called him or her. I'm going to ask you a few questions. You guys just have to point who does it more. Okay? Ready to go? My first question is, who takes the longest to get ready? Who takes up the most room in the bed? Who is a good cop in front of the clients? Who is the funniest? Who said I love you first? Who is more adventurous? Who is a better cook? Who balances work-life better? Thank you guys, you were amazing.
Thank you.
And there's a small gift we have for you
Small
all.
नहीं लेते हम, बड़ा ही लेते हैं.
So it's a date night hamper. You guys have to set it up in your balcony and send us the pictures.
Okay.
So let's get the hamper.